Alright guys, we'll discuss the 5 best code challenging websites that are really going to foster your coding skills and will definitely enhance your productivity. So let's get started. The very first website it's Codabyte. Codabyte provides more than 300 coding challenges to solve. We can solve those challenges in their online code editor. Moreover, we can real test our knowledge and skill in a particular domain, and most importantly, we can use it to prepare for an interview too. The next website it's HackerRank. HackerRank provides more than 40 languages to practice in. They also provide challenges for several different domains such as algorithms, mathematics, SQL, functional programming, and much more. So the third website it's TopCode. TopCode provides challenges as well as competitive programming competition where you can participate. They have challenges for UI and UX designers too, along with developer challenges. It also provides a list of algorithm challenges that you can complete. And moreover, they also have their own online editor too. The next website it's CodeChef. In CodeChef, you can practice different programming language through different challenges, and also you can compete in the competition to earn some reward. It is an India-based competitive programming website. So the last website it's LeadCode. LeadCode is a popular online platform that provides a list of more than 200 challenges that helps you to prepare for the technical job interview. Moreover, it guides you by providing structure to your progress. Very importantly, they support around 14 popular languages. So guys, with the help of these websites, now you all will be able to foster your coding skills and abilities. So guys, if you really find this video helpful, then please like the video and do subscribe to my channel.